to our channel, Stormrider. The USS Zumwalt DDG-1000 destroyer represents one of the most advanced and futuristic warships ever built by the United States Navy. And as we approach 2026, the vessel continues to redefine what modern naval power looks like. Named after Admiral Elmo Zumwalt, a former chief of naval operations known for innovation and reform, the Zumwalt-class destroyer embodies the same spirit of technological advancement. Designed for multi-mission versatility, stealth, and superior firepower, this ship looks more like something out of a science fiction film than a traditional Navy destroyer. It's not only a warship, it's a symbol of how far naval engineering has come. At first glance, what truly sets the Zumwalt apart is its radical design. The ship's angular, wave-piercing tumble-home hull allows it to cut through the water efficiently and significantly reduces its radar cross-section. In simple terms, despite being over 600 feet long and displacing around 15,000 tons, the Zumwalt appears on enemy radar as if it were a small fishing boat. This stealth capability gives the destroyer a major edge in modern warfare, where being detected first often determines who survives. The sleek sloped sides and the absence of traditional masts or antennas add to its low visibility. Its integrated deckhouse, made of radar-absorbing materials, hides sensors and weapons, giving it a smooth and futuristic appearance that's both intimidating and elegant. Underneath that stealthy skin lies an equally advanced propulsion system. The Zumwalt is powered by an integrated power system, or IPS, which generates around 78 megawatts of electricity, enough to power a small city. Instead of separate engines for propulsion and onboard systems, the IPS delivers electricity to both, giving the ship extraordinary flexibility. This system not only improves efficiency, but also prepares the Zumwalt for future weapons like railguns or directed energy laser systems, which require massive power output. It's a ship built with the next generation of warfare in mind. The IPS also contributes to its quiet operation, making it harder for submarines to detect the ship acoustically. When it comes to performance, the Zumwalt can reach speeds of around 30 knots or 35 miles per hour, which is impressive considering its size. It's designed to operate in both open ocean and near shore, or littoral environments, meaning it can perform missions ranging from traditional surface warfare to land attacks and anti-air operations. Its agility and stealth make it a versatile threat capable of adapting to rapidly changing combat scenarios. Whether it's engaging in long-range strikes or supporting amphibious assaults, the Zumwalt can do it all. One of the most distinctive aspects of the ship is its advanced weaponry and combat systems. The Zumwalt was originally designed around two massive 150mm advanced gun systems, capable of firing precision-guided long-range land attack projectiles over 80 miles. These guns were meant to provide long-distance fire support for troops ashore, offering pinpoint accuracy. However, due to the high cost of ammunition, nearly $1 million per round, the Navy decided to explore other weapon options. In 2026, the Zumwalt class is being refitted to support hypersonic missiles under the conventional prompt strike program. These new weapons will allow the destroyer to strike targets thousands of miles away within minutes, giving it unprecedented strategic reach. This conversion turns the Zumwalt into one of the most powerful surface strike platforms in the world. In addition to its hypersonic missile capabilities, the Zumwalt is equipped with an impressive array of sensors and defensive systems. Its SPY-3 multifunction radar provides high-resolution tracking and targeting capabilities for both air and surface threats. This radar can detect and track multiple targets simultaneously, even in challenging weather or cluttered environments. For self-defense, the ship carries evolved Sea Sparrow missiles, or ESSMs, which can intercept incoming aircraft and missiles, as well as close-in weapon systems, CIWS, for last resort defense. The combination of offensive firepower and layered defensive systems makes the Zumwalt not only deadly, but also incredibly difficult to take down. Another remarkable element of the Zumwalt is its crew and automation level. Traditional destroyers of comparable size require a crew of about 300 sailors, but the Zumwalt operates efficiently with a crew of around 140, thanks to extensive automation and smart ship systems. Almost every function on the ship, from engineering to weapons management, is integrated into centralized control stations. This not only reduces manpower requirements, but also allows the crew to focus on mission-critical operations. The living quarters are another area where the Zumwalt breaks from tradition. The ship provides improved comfort and privacy for sailors, which is a small but meaningful step forward in crew welfare. From a technological standpoint, the Zumwalt is like a floating supercomputer. Its total ship computing environment infrastructure, TSCEI, integrates all sensors, weapons, and communication systems into a single network. This allows for rapid data processing, faster decision-making, and improved coordination across all systems. In simple terms, the ship can detect a threat, analyze it, and engage it faster than almost any other warship afloat today. This level of automation and digital integration gives commanders an unprecedented level of situational awareness and control over the battle space. Of course, the Zumwalt program has not been without controversy. The cost of building these ships skyrocketed, with each vessel estimated to cost around $4.5 billion. Originally, the Navy planned to build 32 Zumwalt-class destroyers, but due to budget constraints and shifting priorities, only 3 were constructed: USS Zumwalt DDG-1000, USS Michael Mansour DDG-1001, and USS Lyndon B. Johnson DDG-1002. Critics argue that such expensive ships are impractical for large-scale fleet operations, but supporters counter that the Zumwalt serves as a vital testbed for technologies that will shape the future of naval warfare. It's less about quantity and more about innovation. As of 2026, the Zumwalt is transitioning from an experimental platform to an operational powerhouse. The integration of hypersonic missiles and other advanced systems ensures that it remains relevant for decades to come. Its role in future naval strategy will likely revolve around precision strikes, stealth operations, and supporting carrier battle groups with advanced targeting capabilities. With the rapid evolution of military technology, including drone warfare and electronic threats, the Zumwalt's adaptability gives it a significant advantage. Beyond its raw power and advanced systems, the Zumwalt carries symbolic weight. It represents the U.S. Navy's commitment to pushing boundaries and embracing bold design choices. While it might not replace traditional destroyers in large numbers, it paves the way for a new generation of ships that combine stealth, automation, and immense power. In essence, it's the bridge between today's Navy and the Navy of the future. When people see the USS Zumwalt cutting through the ocean, they're not just looking at a ship. They're looking at the future of maritime warfare. Its futuristic design, advanced power systems, stealth features, and next-generation weaponry make it one of the most formidable warships ever built. Yes, it came with high costs and challenges, but innovation always does. The Zumwalt is proof that naval engineering continues to evolve, blending power with precision and intelligence. As 2026 unfolds, the USS Zumwalt DDG-1000 stands not only as a masterpiece of modern military technology, but also as a testament to human ingenuity, redefining what it means to rule the seas in the 21st century.